In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. If in your Instagram you can't see your broadcast channel, what we can do is just open our Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right side of the screen and go tap on this three lines in the upper right side of the screen and select settings and privacy. From here, you just want to search professional mode. So you can see these two options. So we want to tap on switch to professional account. Here you want to tap continue. And from here, you just want to select anything. This is just for the sake of fixing the broadcast channel not showing. So tap OK. And from here, you just want to select creator, tap next, and you just want to tap on X. So as you can see, if you can see this one out of four steps complete, it means that you're already in your professional account. So by doing this, you can fix the Instagram broadcast channel not showing. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.